Since this was a dancing magnificent show, the students of St. Elisha's deemed to be university will be giving a dancing escort to our golden girl. May I request everyone to kindly be seated. And give a thunderous applause. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting before you, Remona, Evette, Pereira. St. Helvetius Institutions, Mr. Ivan D'Souza, Honorable MLC, our Vice Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis S.J., Dr. Manish Vishnoi, the jury member who will be representing the Golden Book of Records, the proud mother of Remona, Mrs. Gladys Pereira, and of course, we have Sri Vidya Muralidhar, the proud guru, teacher of Remona. May I first request Father Rector to offer a floral welcome to our Honorable MLC. Welcome, Ivan sir. Proud Elasian himself, Ivan D'Souza sir, is an alumnus of St. Elisha's Institution. Welcome you, sir. May I now request Father Vice Chancellor to offer floral welcome to Remona's mother, Mrs. Gladys Pereira, and Guru, Sri Vidya Muralidhar. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's been a tremendous journey. Few of us who are associated with this journey have witnessed an incredible event for last 8 days. But we would like our audience to have a look at this incredible journey of Remona. There will be a documentary which will be played in front of you right now.
ಅಪರೂಪಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡುವವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನೇ ಹವ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನಾಗಿಸಿರುವ ನೃತ್ಯಗಾರ್ತಿಯ ಕತೆ. ಕಳೆದೊಂದು ವಾರದಿಂದ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಮನೆಮಾತಾಗಿರುವ ಹೆಸರು ರೆಮೋನಾ ಇವೆಟ್ ಪೆರೇರಾ.
May I request, please listen to the voice. Please listen to the voice. We can applaud at the end.
ಗೆಲ್ಲುವ ಆಶಯವನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿಫಲಿಸುವ ಈಕೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು ಇಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ನಿಬ್ಬೆರಗಾಗಿಸಿವೆ. ಕೇವಲ 3ನೇ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಬಯಕೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಮುರಳೀಧರ್ ಎಂಬ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಗುರುವಿಂದ ದೊರೆತ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಕಲಿಕೆ, ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣುವ ದೇವರಂತಿರುವ ತಾಯಿಯ ಹಾರೈಕೆ. ಈಗ ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ರಂಗ ಮಂಚಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಮೋನಾಳ ಲವಲವಿಕೆ. ಈಕೆಯ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ಮುಕುಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿದೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಗರಿಗಳು. ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಬಾಲಗೌರವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಮೋದಿಯವರಿಂದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಬಾಲ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ, ಭಾರತದ 17 ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೃತ್ಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿದ ಹೆಗ್ಗಳಿಕೆ. ಮಡಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಾಜಿನ ಚೂರುಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಂಕಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸುವ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ. ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಡಾನ್ಸ್, ಜಿ ಹಿಂದಿ ವಾಹಿನಿಯ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಾ ದಂಗಲ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಅನೇಕ ವಾಹಿನಿಗಳು ಈಕೆಯ ಅಗಾಧ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಿಯನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದಿವೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದ ರೆಮೋನಾ ಇಂದು ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದು ತನ್ನ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ಪಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮೈಲುಗಲ್ಲು ನೆಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಉತ್ತುಂಗಕ್ಕೇರಿರುವ ರೆಮೋನಾ ಪಿರೇರಾ ಅವರನ್ನ ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯವು ಅಭಿಮಾನದಿಂದ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ PhD ಪಡೆದು ಅಶಕ್ತರಿಗೆ, ಅನಾಥರಿಗೆ, ತೃತೀಯ ಲಿಂಗಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾಟ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನೀಡಬೇಕೆಂದಿರುವ ರೆಮೋನಾಳ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸಲು ನಾವು ಅವರೊಂದಿಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ನಿಂದ ರೆಮೋನಾಳ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ದೊರೆಯಲಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳುವ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತು, ಶಹಬಾಸ್ ರೆಮೋನಾ.
Our dancers would now pay a dancing tribute to our dancing sensation. The Alausian dancers will be in front of you. Since Remona is a versatile dancer, this performance is the culmination of all forms of dance.
चलो सुनाऊं तुम्हें कहानी एक चिड़िया की। एक चिड़िया जिसने कभी हार नहीं मानी, एक चिड़िया जिसमें जीतने की भूख कभी मिटी ही नहीं। अनंत तक उड़ने की थी ख्वाहिश, वो उड़ती रही।
उस चिड़िया का नाम क्या था?
परफॉर्मिंग नेक्स्ट इज द प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय बाल पुरस्कार अवॉर्डी रेमोना एवेट पेरेरा।
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी, कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंसवे करुणाम्बुरासी। धीम तारा धीम धीम तारा चतुलतो प्राण में नाट्यम जैसे कतुलतो नाम शतम मूल नकुलतो ना बैननी चुकुआ बेला।
ಅವಳ ಪಯಣ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಅಂತೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದ್ದು 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಗು ಕಂಡ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಿನಿಂದ. ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಿನುಗುವ ಕನಸು, ಕುಣಿಯುವ ಕನಸು, ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ಕುಣಿತಾನೆ ಇರೋ ಕನಸು.
रास्ते भागे फाम से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे। क्यों सोचना है जाना कहाँ, जाए वही ले जाए जहाँ। बेसब्रियाँ
ಈ ಕನಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹಂತದಲ್ಲೂ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಆ ಮಮತೆಯ ಮಡಿಲು.
ಅರ್ಥ ಭೂಮಿ
ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ, ಸಹೋದರನ ಹೆಗಲು, ಗೆಳೆಯರ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ, ಹಿತೈಷಿಗಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ವಧುವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ನಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಬೆಂಬಲ, ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಗುರುಗಳ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ. ವಿದುಷಿ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿದ್ಯಾರವರಿಂದ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಲಿತು ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಮುಡಿಗೇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಲವಷ್ಟು ದಾಖಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮುರಿದು ಅದೆಷ್ಟೋ ಟಿವಿ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಶೋಗಳನ್ನು ಗೆದ್ದ ಹೆಗ್ಗಳಿಕೆ ಇವರದ್ದು. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಅವಳ ಬೆನ್ನಟ್ಟಿ ಬಂದದ್ದೇ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಬಾಲ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ.
रेमोना जी, मुझे बताया गया कि तुम टूटे कांच पर कार्यक्रम करती हो, आग पर कार्यक्रम करती हो।
जी
ये
सर।
सुनकर के ही डर लगता है, तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
जिंदगी का ये घड़ा ले, एक सांस में चढ़ा ले, हिचकियों में क्या है मरना, पूरा मर ले। कोयला काला है, चट्टानों में काला है, अंदर काला बाहर काला, पर सच्चा है सारा। कोयला काला है, चट्टानों में काला है, अंदर काला बाहर काला, पर सच्चा है सारा।
ಸಾಧಿಸುವುದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಾಕಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗೆ ಸತತ 170 ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ರಚಿಸುವ ಕನಸು.
ಗರಜ ಗರಜ ಆಜ ಮೇಘ ಘನನ ಘನನ ಛಾಯೋರಿ ಧಮಕ ಧಮಕ ಚಮಕೆ ಬಿಗುರಿ ಕಹತ ಹೆರಿತು ರಾಜ ಆಯೋರಿ ಮಮ ಬನಿ ಮಮ ಬ ಮಮ ಬನಿ ಬನಿ ಮಮ ಬ ಮಮನಿ ಬ ನಿಧಾರೆ ರೇ ಮಮನಿ ಮನಿ ಧಾರೆ ನಿಧಾರೆ ಮಮ ಮನಿ ಧಾರೆ ಮಮನಿ ನಿರಿ ಮಮ ಮನಿ ಧಾರೆ ನಿರಿ ಧಾರೆ ಮನಿ ಮಮ ರೆ ಮನಿ ನಿಧಾರೆ ಮಮ ಮನಿ ಧಾರೆ ಮಮನಿ ನಿರಿ ಮಮ ಮನಿ ಧಾರೆ ನಿರಿ ಧಾರೆ ಮನಿ ಮಮ ರೆ ಮನಿ ಧಾರೆ ಮಮ ಮನಿ ಧಾರೆ ಮಮನಿ ನಿರಿ ಮಮ ಮನಿ ಧಾರೆ ನಿರಿ ಧಾರೆ ಮನಿ ಮಮ ರೆ ಮನಿ ಗರಜ ಗರಜ ಆಜ ಮೇಘ ಘನನ ಘನನ ಛಾಯೋರಿ ಧಮಕ ಧಮಕ ಚಮಕೆ ಬಿಗುರಿ ಕಹತ ಹೆರಿತು ರಾಜ ಆಯೋರಿ.
What was once a dream, a whispered aspiration, has now blossomed into a magnificent reality. Remona, your 170 hours Bharatanatyam marathon isn't just a record, it's a testament to unwavering spirit. Today, your friends, your family, St. Aloysius University, our state, our country, and the entire artist community stands united in immense pride, showering you with love and blessings. Let Remona's journey be a beacon, a powerful reminder to the society. Never give up on your dreams. This is but the overture, Remona. The world eagerly awaits many symphonies you are yet to compose.
Thank you for your scintillating performance. You have indeed set the stage on fire. This was a meaningful and worthy tribute to Remona.
रत्नैः कल्पितमासनम् हिमजलैः स्नानं च दिव्याभरणैः जाति चंपक बिल्वपत्र रचितं पुष्पं च धूपं तथा दीपं देव दयानिधे पशुपते हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यता हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यता नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय सारी गा मगरि सा पारी सनी पद नी सारी रि गा रि सा सानी प नी पग रि सा नी
तता धीम 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 ता धी 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 तत्ता धी तत्ता धी धी तुम तुम नम नम तत्ता धी धी तुम तुम नम नम तत्ता धी धी तुम 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 नम 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 तत्ता धी धी तुम 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 नम 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 तम तरी तक जुम धीम तरी तक जुम तरी किट तक ताम तरी किट तक ताम तरी किट तक तरी किट तक तरी किट तक
शंकर शिव त्रैलोक्य शुभकरा संध्या तांडव प्रिय पाहि मां भवभयहर शंभो शंकर शिव त्रैलोक्य शुभकरा संध्या तांडव प्रिय पाहि मां भवभयहर शंभो शंकर शिव त्रैलोक्य शुभकरा संध्या तांडव प्रिया पाहि मां भवभयहर शंभो शंकर शिवा
Can we all rise and give a standing ovation for the most scintillating performance? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. We are eagerly awaiting the official announcement by Dr. Manish Vishnoi, who is the Asia head in the Golden Book of World Records, a pioneer USA-based company working in the field of talent management. Dr. Vishnoi is an engineering graduate, holds MBA degree along with PhD in management, and he has a great exposure and experience in the field of talent management. More importantly, he has willingly consented to be a part of this momentous occasion. Over to you, sir. We are waiting for your golden words.
Good afternoon. This is Dr. Manish Vishnoi. I am Asia Head, Golden Book of World Records. Golden Book of World Records is a US-based company, and anything which is unique, happening for the first time, or something which is very extraordinary, that is considered as world record in the Golden Book of World Records. And we had an application from the golden girl, Remona. She was interested to have a dance marathon. But once she told that she is performing Bharatnatyam, it's not simple dance. Bharatnatyam is very difficult form of Indian classical dance because it's not just the movement of hands and legs, which is generally a dance. Here, more important part is the expressions. Every word you have to express through your dance. So, when she told that I want to have a dance marathon, she was saying that I would be able to do it for 7 days. We recommended that 5 days is sufficient for your world record. But still, she insisted that, yeah, I would be performing for 7 days. You can understand 7 days means 10,200 minutes. And to be very true, this much duration is not normal. In normal case, we cannot even awake for this much duration. If somebody say me to stand for a place for 10,200 minutes, I cannot. And I'm very sure 99% of you people cannot do it. But performing dance and dance like Bharatnatyam is almost impossible, but there are few people who are having ability to change the impossible things to possible. And one of them is Remona. First of all, I'll thanks Father Praveen Martin. Because of his support, this world record was possible. Then the St. Aloysius University and all the friends, and I think many of the friends will be the fans in the future, because without the support of you all people, it was not possible, because if somebody is performing, then they also need the motivation. And I don't know how she got the power. It's not just physical power, it's mental power, it's emotional power, divine power. All this power required, only in that condition somebody can perform for 170 hours. 170 hours. So finally, checking all the guidelines and going through all the rules and regulation of Golden Book of World Records, Remona has achieved the place in Golden Book of World Records. I'm officially announcing and giving the provisional certificate. After screening full video and all, the final certificate would be issued very soon. Congratulations to Remona, their teacher, mother, father, and all of you. Thank you.
I now request our honorable jury member and all the other dignitaries to present this provisional certificate to Remona, please.
किताब में नाम लिखाना है, खुद कर जाएंगे, हर रिकॉर्ड तोड़ेंगे, बनेंगे हीरो, हम सितारे बन जाए। जोश आग सा दिल में जल रहा, हर कदम पर हौसला पल रहा, नजरें लक्ष्य पर चिपकी रहेंगी, हमेशा जीत का सपना कहेंगी। गोल्डन बुक में नाम अपना हम कर जाएंगे, हर रिकॉर्ड तोड़ेंगे, बनेंगे हीरो, हम सितारे बन जाए। हर चुनौती को ठोकर में डाल दे, बेवजह डर को अब क्यों संभाल ले, हमारा जोश कभी थमने न पाए, आंधियों में भी राह अपनी बनाए। गोल्डन बुक में नाम अपना हम कर जाए।
Now on behalf of St. Elisha's deemed to be university, there is a felicitation program to be followed. May I request Remona to kindly take the seat of honor, and may I request Father Rector to initiate the proceedings of honoring Remona on behalf of St. Elisha's deemed to be university, and all the other dignitaries will join in this particular felicitation ceremony.
गोल्डन बुक में नाम अपना हम कर जाएंगे, हर रिकॉर्ड तोड़ेंगे, बनेंगे।
Looks like even sun decided to pause and electricity also decided to pause for a while. This was an astonishing achievement. Keep clapping because she deserves every bit of it. Thank you all the dignitaries for doing the honors. We would like to place on record the magnificent and commendable role played by all our media friends in last 8 days, because you don't want to keep it till the end. Thank you all the journalists, all the social media pages for highlighting Remona's performance. We would like to hear a quick word of appreciation by our dignitaries. They have already requested that it will be a matter of few seconds. We'll start the proceedings with Father Vice Chancellor, followed by Ivan Sir, and then Father Rector.
Respected Miss Remona Evette Pereira, golden girl of our own St. Aloysius deemed to be university. Really, you made all of us proud today. 170 hours. You know, St. Aloysius is 145 years. She has crossed that with 170 hours and given us to think even higher. We never thought that she could do this, but our dreams are bigger than sky. And she has reached that heaven with the divine power. She has made it possible, and we truly embrace her as our own golden girl of Mangalore, golden girl of our state, golden girl of our nation, and also the world. So congratulations, Remona. God bless you.
Congratulations, Remona. Once again, all the best to you. ಅವರು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆವು. 170 ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಈ ದಾಖಲೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ 6.5 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ ದಾಖಲೆ ನೀವೇ ಮುರಿಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಮುರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಸಿಯಸ್ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆದದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿತ್ತು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ರೆಮೋನಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಈ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಟಿಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಸಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. Dr. Manish has said whatever he wants to say. He said that she has duly passed, duly achieved, and the sky is the limit. And you are model to all of us. You are model to all of us. We are all with you. The entire government of Karnataka is with you. Go ahead and achieve many more things in your life. Congratulations and all the best. Thank you. I must congratulate mother also, and also her guru. Both of you, mother is very happy today. She was every day sitting. She was sitting every day. I must congratulate. And whenever her performance is there in any event, mother is to come and help her. I have seen in my life. I have seen my own eyes. This is really, mother is no better than Remona. So congratulations to you.
Remona, sit down, please. Remona, I have no words. Congratulations is a small word, but I tell you how happy we are. You can see all those who are gathered here. Your friends are excited, so excited. We feel as though we have achieved something. Don't you feel that? We feel as though we have done it for 170 hours. There's so many of you, their friends, they were there. Friends, there were so many people at night. So many of you came at night to, still cheer her up. That's not easy. I tell you, staying away from food and water is okay to some extent, but staying away from sleep, that many days to be sleep deprived, I can only wish you a long sleep for a long time, 2 days, 3 days. All this is a great achievement of those who have accompanied you also, your mother, your guru. What they have done is something tremendous. This is not just a performance. I want to tell you, it is not a performance, it was a meditation. It was a meditation. I don't think it would have been possible otherwise. You have done it, you have done us proud, and we will always, St. Aloysius will always remember you, Remona, as one of our proud students, proud girls of St. Aloysius University. God bless you.
I wanted to thank all of them, especially I must thank Dr. Manish. When she came with a dream that she would like to make a record. Then I had to go and find out who are the people who are ready to support us. And I was so happy to meet Dr. Manish. That was about 1.5 years ago. Then onwards, our journey began, and we somehow were able to do this great event. I would like to especially thank Dr. Manish for all the support that he has rendered in this case. And whenever we approach him, last about 7 days, we have been continuously approaching him, and throughout he was supporting us, and we were extremely happy that he did that for us. And we must remember two of them here, mother and also her guru. Both of them are very, very special. We cannot ever forget the love of mother and her heart. And she has really taken care of her, and her dream has been fulfilled through her mother. And I would like to thank her and also wish God's choicest blessings on her mother, Gladys Pereira. Would also like to thank her guru. Without a guru, we cannot do anything in life. Her guru stood by her, Sri Vidya Muralidharan. I must gratefully thank her for standing with her all these 8 days. She was there, I would meet her, I would see her, and with that kind of an encouragement, she accompanied her. I must say, when Remona made this video in the beginning, she made few important talks. She said, I am a Remona, I am the final year BA students of St. Aloysius deemed to be university, and here not to perform. I am here to give tribute to the timeless tradition of classical dance, Bharatanatyam, which is Indian tradition, in our own word. And today, as Rector said, is a meditation. Only with the divine power it was possible, and she has done it for last 7.5, 8 days. That is something extraordinary, remarkable achievement. No human, as Dr. Manish said, could do it except with the divine power. It was possible. So I would like to thank the Guru once again, gratefully at this moment. I must also thank the people around here. Especially I think, remember our students. Our students are the ones, when I said we are going to have this event, last about 8 days, these are the students. They are not slept. They are here. I would like to thank them profusely for their support. Time and in and out, they have been there supporting her, and also many people from our university. When we decided to have this kind of a performance, the management stood by us. Father Rector represents our management. He was the one who said, please go ahead. And we were in the US at that time and traveling. He was only concerned about this girl, whether she will be able to endure this kind of a performance for so many days. But then we all decided with the management, the fathers are here, and also all the faculty members. There was a lot of support. All of them came here. And either in the morning or afternoon, evening, I would come at different times and watch. Even at night, many of them have accompanied her. So this is what Remona said. This is a journey. I don't require somebody to be there for me, but rather to accompany me. So these are the ones who accompanied throughout. I would like to thank each and every one of our faculty members for standing by us and supporting us throughout this journey. And something very special is about our own MLC here, is our own world student. He's always there. When I say we need some support, he is always there. And today he said, I will be there today. In between, he has come and supported this event and spoken so well on this wonderful occasion. So Mr. Ivan D'Souza, we are forever grateful to you for your support to St. Aloysius, and thank you so much. I must also congratulate and thank all the people of Mangalore. They have been coming here all the time. And day one it began till now. They have been there. Yesterday was a huge crowd. Being Sunday, we could say almost like a jatra. So many of them coming and supporting her. That energy was required for our Remona, and that was given by all of you. I would like to thank the people of Mangalore from all over. all over Bangalore, even some of them have come from Bangalore. I would like to also thank the politicians, our district in charge minister, Mr. Dinesh Gundurao and his team. All of them have come, whether it is from whichever political party. All of them come, all of them from Congress, BJP and all the other parties, and also the bureaucrats, our DCs and our COEs, all of them have come and also thanked us and also supported us, along with them the police and all the bureaucrats. I would like to thank them, and very special way our media. Media has been a great supporter throughout this journey. The people of media, they were all there with us. I would like to thank them especially for giving us this coverage throughout this journey. They have given us ample coverage and would like to thank them. We must not forget about the people who have been there, the doctors, the interns. They have been there throughout. We're a little worried about what would happen when she is dancing for so many days without sleep. And the people from Enepoya, Mullahs, and also KMC, the doctors were there, the interns were there throughout. And she required some kind of a support, the physical endurance, all that was given by the doctors. I would like to thank them, and also thank our media from St. Aloysius. Mr. Manoj is the chair, and he, along with our giants and the whole team, they started making small clips and they became really viral. And today I would like to thank them for all that they have done. And without forgetting anyone, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being present here at this moment. And also another person we can't forget, the students performed it so well, Mr. Christopher Ninosam. He was the one who was quietly, even today, he is a media shy. He doesn't appear in front. He's the one who quietly handles all these situations. Let's give him a huge round of applause for his continual support and his support of the team. Once again, thank you so much. God bless you all.
We'll be having many more occasions to listen and celebrate Remona's performance. She has requested for a small break. We'd like to wind up here and we'll keep you posted through our social media. Let's rise for the national anthem.